Hello, I'm Dr. Tripti Patel, founder of Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center in Northern Virginia. A common question I am asked is how our comprehensive weight loss program is different from other weight loss programs. I will share with you 5 unique aspects that are important to us as well as our patients. First, we integrate 4 treatment components that are critical for long-term support. These components for successful weight loss include medical, nutritional, behavioral, and exercise, all under one roof for your convenience. We do a full medical assessment with you at your first visit and coordinate your care as necessary with your primary care physician and any other specialists you see for possible medication adjustments. A part of this assessment is laboratory tests that are reviewed with you in detail. You will meet regularly with our nutritionist, behavioral coach, and physical trainer so you understand what to do every step of the way and have accountability you may need and desire. Our goal is to empower you to take charge and yet never feel alone. Second, we don't offer any fads or gimmicks. We will help you filter through the myths and fads related to weight loss and easily integrate proven weight loss methods into your life. We rely on data from your personalized body composition and metabolic rate testing to create a customized weight loss plan just for you. You will know exactly what you need to do in order to finally lose excess weight for good. Third, our weight loss programs are safe, effective, and affordable. You can rest assured that our weight loss plans are backed by science and research to ensure that they are safe and effective. We accept all major insurance plans for your doctor visits and your individualized counseling visits. If insurance is not an option for you, we offer very reasonable discounted rates for self-pay services. HSA and FSA plans often offer coverage for our program. We also accept care credit. Fourth, I am a board-certified physician in obesity medicine and primary care. I personally create and oversee all our weight loss programs. This provides several advantages for our patients when compared to many other weight loss programs. Did you know that there is only one obesity medicine physician for every 100,000 people? I am not only passionate about weight loss, but I am uniquely skilled to guide you in your weight loss journey. Having excess weight is a disease like diabetes and hypertension. There are many causes, so why not have a physician who has expertise in the area lead your customized treatment? I can also help manage many of the conditions you may suffer from due to excess weight, such as high blood pressure and diabetes. I am also able to prescribe FDA-approved weight loss medications if and when you need them. Fifth, my team and I focus on your weight loss and weight maintenance. We want to make sure this is the last weight loss center you ever go to. Our ultimate goal for you is not just weight loss, but keeping it off. We don't want you to undo all the hard work you did to achieve your weight loss goal. You become a part of our family. We will continue to provide you with all the tools and tips needed to keep your weight off, and we'll continue to give you necessary accountability for your long-term success. We would love to help you succeed too. Give us a call at 703-783-5673 or visit our website at healthymeweightloss.com for more information on how to get started.